Today we're going to explore a topic that I believe is overlooked in schools, although it's a very simple yet powerful one: divisibility rules, which means how to know whether a particular number will divide into another one without a remainder. We're going to skip over the rules for tens and fives, since it's pretty well known that if a number ends in a 0, it's divisible by 10, and if a number ends in either a 0 or a 5, it's divisible by 5. As you can see, we're going to consistently use the number 108 as our example. Let's start with the divisibility rule for 2s. All even numbers are divisible by 2. In other words, if the last digit is a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, then the entire number is divisible by 2. 8 is an even digit, so 108 is divisible by 2. Next, the divisibility rule for 3s. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the entire number is divisible by 3. 1 plus 0 plus 8 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3, so 108 is divisible by 3. Next, the divisibility rule for 4s. If the number formed by the last two digits of the number is divisible by 4, then the entire number will be divisible by 4. In this case, 8 is divisible by 4, so 108 is as well. 6 is. In order for a number to be divisible by 6, it must be divisible by both 2 and 3. We've already established that 108 is even, since 8 is an even digit, and 1 plus 0 plus 8 is 9, which is divisible by 3, so since the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, 108 is divisible by 6. And finally, the divisibility rule for 9s. It's almost identical to that of 3s. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then the entire number is divisible by 9. As we've established, 1 plus 0 plus 8 is 9. 9 is divisible by 9, so 108 is divisible by 9. Now, let's apply our knowledge of divisibility to a significantly larger number: 7,431,635,520. 0 is an even digit, so this massive number is divisible by 2. The sum of all the digits is 36. 36 is divisible by 3, and it's also divisible by 9. So the entire number is divisible by both 3 and 9. The number formed by the last two digits is 20. 20 is divisible by 4, so the entire number is divisible by 4. The last digit is a 0, so the number is divisible by both 5 and 10. Now, as a bonus, we're going to very quickly divide 108 by all these numbers, applying the division shortcut that we learned in our Triple T video a few weeks ago. 2 goes into 10 5 times, and 2 goes into 8 4 times. 3 goes into 10 3 times with 1 left over, and 3 goes into 18 6 times. 4 goes into 10 twice with 2 left over, and 4 goes into 28 7 times. 6 goes into 10 one time with 4 left over, and 6 goes into 48 8 times. 9 goes into 10 one time with 1 left over, and 9 goes into 18 twice.